everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the October 2024 HipKits. Today you can watch me creating a fun Halloween layout using the gorgeous October kits and some of our exclusive cut files. I also incorporate some hand-stitched elements to add texture to my page. I choose the October 2024 Trick or Treat cut file for my title and cut it from white cardstock. And now I back it with pieces of the warm and cozy adventurous nature paper. Now I create the background of my layout. I cut the October 2024 spider web cut file 2 times from white cardstock, place them on my page and secure them with washi tape to keep it in place. I use the cut files as templates and pierce holes. And now I stitched the spider webs with black twine. here's my finished background. I love how the stitched spider webs add texture to my page. I cut out a pocket life card and add my photos. Then I layer it with pieces of the warm and cozy Snuggle Up and the Spin Your Web paper. I place it on my layout, add the title and add a frame and other chipboard die cuts from the chipboard die cuts pack, which is included in the October main kit. Then I add a bow, a word sticker and a button from the wood, epoxy and cardstock embellishment pack, which is also included in the October main kit. I continue embellishing the layout with some vellum leaf die cuts. These are included in the October embellishment kit. Then I cut out 2 tags from another pocket life paper, add twine and tuck them behind my photos. Add one of the layered chipboard heart embellishments, also included in the October embellishment kit. Now I fussy cut leaves and icons from the warm and cozy autumn scatter paper and another pocket life paper. I pick out a word die cut and a tab die cut from the cardstock ephemera pack, which is included in the October main kit, and add them to my page together with the fussy cut leaves. Also add some chipboard accent stickers and some puffy stickers, both included in the October embellishment kit. And I finish with some word stickers. I glue them on white cardstock, cut them out and add them to my layout. Here you can see my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.